Hi, I'm Sean Shanley with Veridiant.
And I'm Andrew Grigsby with Veridiant.
And today we're here to talk to you about air source heat pumps in the Southeast. Before we get started though, we would love to get your feedback on today's training so that we can improve for future audiences. We've provided an anonymous survey for you to fill out. If you're comfortable, there are also some questions on there to help us know what kind of folks we're reaching so we can understand who we're training and who we might be missing. This is an introductory course on the upcoming market transformation in heat pumps and should be used to help inform business owners and installers on basic background and to give you a sense of what you should ask for when you're making decisions. Our objective today is to provide you with an overview of the latest information and available resources. As professionals, you'll be selling, recommending, and hopefully installing new high-performance heat pumps for your clients. We want to make sure that you leave here with helpful facts about air source heat pumps. Our goal is for you to be able to identify 3 technical aspects of heat pump equipment, 3 market factors relevant to new heat pump technology, 3 common myths and subsequent facts, and 3 resources that professionals can access for more information when talking to users, businesses, and consumers. These resources come from a number of different places, such as the U.S. Department of Energy. Our agenda today will first go over a brief project introduction, talk about some basic terminology and technology for air source heat pumps, go through a couple myths and the associated facts, talk about market and incentive information, go over relevant code and installation information, and finally wrap up with a brief activity. To introduce the project, we are here today thanks to funding from the U.S. Department of Energy intended to increase the market penetration of 4 technologies: heat pump water heaters, air source heat pumps, electric vehicle charging systems, and residential battery systems. These technologies were chosen because they have some of the greatest potential for energy savings, cost savings, and market growth. We're required to include this statement: the views expressed herein do not necessarily represent the views of the U.S. Department of Energy or the United States government.